Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, so let's see where we were last time. So last time we started with fractal Sierpinski triangle gasket, which is to draw triangle gasket using recursive calls like that, okay? Starting from big triangle to small triangles and drawing the gasket very beautifully. Then last time in 135, we do the same thing using L system, okay? Just using very simple rules. Okay, let's take a look. We could draw very beautifully triangle gaskets like this. Okay, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but the problem is it was too fast. So let's see what happens if put the tracer off and see how it looks like up to say 4. Okay, so let's take a look. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it looks like an interesting order to draw the gasket. Okay, but you saw that? So we started from inside. Okay, let's take a look. So we started from internal segments, and then the outer big triangle is drawn. And as the level increases, the triangle holes begin to appear. Okay, this is very interesting behavior of the drawing process. Okay, so yeah, it's like this. So today we are going to draw the Sierpinski gasket using different approach called Arrowhead, Sierpinski Arrowhead with L system. Basically, it's an L system, so it's just simple as that. But the difference is this time a smooth, continuous path that approximates the gasket. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, so it's just changing the rules. Okay, so there are again two rules. A goes to B, like this. And so we will just rewrite the rules. So starting from here, we save it as L136 Sierpinski Arrowhead, something like that. And then, okay, let's change just the rule part. Okay, what did I write? Okay, A goes to B minus A minus B. So we write it. A goes to B minus A minus B. Okay, very simple. And B, just the opposite. A plus B plus A. Okay, just the opposite of rule for A. So it should be written as A plus B plus A. Okay, that's it. Okay, then the start. Let's check the initial axiom is just A. Okay, this is fine. Good. And two rules like these. And lastly, the turning angle is 60 degrees instead of 120. So let's change that way and see how it looks like. So we change this to 60 and see. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, okay, one by one. 0, 1, 2, 3. You see, it's not becoming to be a triangle. It's strange. Okay, the curve forms a continuous, non-intersecting path. Okay, but the point is, yeah, so it's becoming like a Sierpinski gasket. Okay, if we give bigger D, maybe it's good. But the problem is the drawing flips vertically. Okay, sometimes it appears on the upper side and sometimes on the down side. Okay, so we need to adjust the angle sign here. So it's like this. Angle is, say, 60 if D is, say, even, and otherwise it should be negative. So I should write it like this. So it should be negative 60 if D percent 2 is 1. Else, or otherwise, it should be positive 60. This will actually works well. Let's try to see how it changes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's like it changes the flipping. Okay. And that changes to 7 and see how it works. 0, 1, 2, 3. Good. So it always appears on the upper side, which is good. 5. But now it's too slow to see. Okay, but it's becoming better. Okay, let's change this to tracer to set the tracer off and see up to, say, 10. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, now you see the Sierpinski gasket. Okay, it's too much. Maybe we can change it back to 8 to see 0, 1, 2. So it's very interesting, right? Though it starts from just a straight single line, as D gets bigger, it goes to very similar to the Sierpinski gasket, which are familiar to us. Okay, so in case of, say, D6, there are, yeah, the 4,000, more than 4,000 characters, symbols, to, yeah, comprising A, B, and plus minus, and it's all working well. Now, I hope you enjoy this. You like the idea of making the approximation of Sierpinski gasket by, yeah, writing the symbols of A plus, B, and minus. Okay, it's very interesting. I hope you like it, and you will, yeah, to see the details yourself and enjoy the drawing. We will continue to be working more, so come back again next time. Okay, I hope you liked it. See you next time.